Already crisis situation is going on right now. Crisis World War situation is going on right now. And in this country, full of discrimination is going on. Full of discrimination is going on against Northeast people. Against Northeast people. People are calling them corona virus itself. They are calling them. As if they are the main reason. As if coronavirus has arrived in this India. This type of scumbag attitude is going on in this country. Some of them are not even allowed to buy groceries from the stores, thinking that they'll spread the disease. This is the root cause of illiteracy. This nonsense is happening because of illiteracy. Illiteracy and lack of awareness. Lack of awareness. Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. Manipur, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Assam, all these northeastern states are part of India. Are part of India, not China. Not China. They are part of India and they are Indians first. They are Indians first. Just because of their skin color, you cannot call them foreigners. You cannot call them foreigners and discriminate them. You cannot discriminate them. Utter nonsense, rubbish. Tell me what to say. 70 years of independence has passed. 70 years of independence has passed and still these people have to prove to so-called citizens of India that they are still Indians. They have to prove their nationality to these people. And even after proving also they are discriminated and sent away. Sent fucking away like that. If you see such crap, nonsense, rubbish going on around you, report to the police. Report to the police and inform to the police. Wadiyak Deng Deng should happen. Wadiyak Deng Deng. Broomsticks should be belted to these racist people. To these racist people, narrow-minded people. It should be booted away. Like that it should happen. Inform to the police. Inform to the police. Because this is a world war situation. Horrible situation. And this is the only battle where no soldier, no army, nobody can protect us. We human beings, ourselves can protect ourselves. That's it. We human beings can only protect ourselves. Humanity should prevail here. Humanity should prevail here. No religion, no caste, no politics, nothing should prevail. Only humanity should prevail here. This is a dangerous battle going on now. Dangerous and critical time is going on. Critical and bad time is going on. Please look after this matter. This type of nonsense activities is happening in our country. And if there is no unity among our people, then where the fuck people will go? These type of activities brings in more chaos and more panic to the world. Already the world is in huge panic. Already the world is in huge panic. This type of activities brings in more panic. More panic. And thank you. Hats off to the police inspectors, all the police people who have ensured and guaranteed and safeguarded these Northeast people. And this motherland is for all. All Indians are belonging to this motherland. Racism and discrimination out. That's it. Racism and discrimination out. Kick them out. That's it. No room for racism and no room for discrimination. That's it.